Tired of guessing on Bybit and want to trade smarter? I'm going to show you how to find signals that give you a trading edge in just 90 seconds. First things first, head over to the Bybit trading platform. You'll want to focus on the chart section. This is where you'll be spending most of your time. I recommend using TradingView charts directly within Bybit as they offer excellent analytical tools. Now, let's talk indicators. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with a few popular ones like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and moving averages. The RSI can help you identify overbought and oversold conditions, giving you hints on potential reversals. You can typically find these in the Indicators tab and simply type in the indicator name to add it to your chart. Pay close attention to the RSI. If it goes above 70, it indicates that an asset is overbought and may see a price correction soon. Likewise, below 30 suggests it is oversold. For moving averages, look for crossovers. When a shorter-term average crosses above a longer-term one, it can be a bullish signal, and vice versa. Once you spot a potential signal based on your indicators, confirm it with price action. Is the price trending in the direction the signal suggests? If so, you can go ahead and place your order, making sure to use proper risk management techniques like setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital. And there you have it. Remember, no signal is foolproof, so always trade responsibly. Good luck, and happy trading on Bybit.